Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I have these 5 tips using gray tape. There are many more uses for this useful product. Some call it the tape of 1,000 uses. But for the moment I only give you 5 that will be very useful. It is a tape that is not that cheap but is worth every penny for everything you can do with it. So let's see what we can use it for. Do you have problems with those little cockroaches or any other insects in your kitchen? Just take some gray tape and lay it on a flat surface with the glue facing up. And put a little peanut butter on it, so you will have a quick and homemade trap to catch those little nuisances. Which if we leave them longer they will reproduce and then we will have everything infested. Just put it in the place where you think you have seen them and soon they will come towards the tape attracted by the peanut butter since it falls and will stick to it and you will be able to get rid of it. They are going on vacation, whether camping or somewhere else, and they want to take gray tape because they know it can get them out of trouble. But you don't want to take the whole thing with you since it takes up a lot of space. Just roll the one you think you'll need into a hand lamp or a cylinder, and apart from the fact that it won't take up any space, you can always have it on hand if you need it, and it will more or less fit this size so it won't get in the way in the slightest, and you can use it as shown in the video. You're having a gathering on your patio and you realize you don't have tables or cup holders and you don't want everyone stopping to get their drinks every time they want something to drink? Just take an empty roll and put tape on one side. You will most likely need 2 or more pieces. Once covered, we just took another piece of gray tape and wrapped it around the arm of our chair more or less as shown on the screen. And this way you can have a cup holder on every chair you have and your guests won't have to keep picking up their drinks every time they want them. As you can see, it resists a glass, can or bottle perfectly, and since the tape was left with the glue facing up, the glass or bottle will remain held and firm and will not fall for anything. Did you drop a pot or do some work where the floor of your house was filled with dust, and no matter how much you sweep it and try to put it in the dustpan, it does not get completely in, making the tedious and exasperating task? Don't worry, just take a piece of gray tape and stick it right to your dustpan as shown in the video. Once you do it, sweep the dirt or dust that you are collecting with the broom again and you will see that nothing will escape, since the remains that you are sweeping have nowhere to go. And once they're done, they just take them off and throw them away along with what's in their dustpan. Do you want to turn on the boiler, the stove or the charcoal of your grill without the paper or wooden stick that you lit to do it going out? Just take a piece of gray tape and fold it in half or 3 and set it on fire. As you can see, it takes longer to burn down, and this will give you time to turn on what you have to turn on, without it turning off so easily. Just be careful since it is plastic, you can throw very hot drops of it and it can burn you. So take precautions when doing so. But to be able to start a campfire or on the grill it is ideal since it lasts a long time. As you can see, these are just 5 of the many uses that gray tape has, and I know that at least some of them will be very useful. Later I will make another video with more uses of this practical product. But as you see, with just tape we can do several things that will help us in our daily lives, and although it is not very cheap, it is compensated by everything we can do with it. So I highly recommend that you always have a roll of gray tape on hand because one day it can get you out of a bind. As you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check out the other videos as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.